Hello children, welcome to the Kids TV. Today we will learn vegetables name. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is peas. Guess this one. This is peppermint. Guess this vegetable. This is pointed gourd. Guess this one. Yes, this is nettle plum. Guess this vegetable. This is onion. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is red cabbage. Guess this one. Yes, this is red chilli. Guess this vegetable. This is rich gourd. Guess this vegetable. This is snake gourd. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is spinach. Guess this one. This is green onion. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is sweet potato. Guess this one. This is tomato. Guess this vegetable. This is turmeric. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is turnip. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is watercress. Guess this vegetable. This is leek. Guess this one. This is bok choy. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is lotus stem. Guess this one. Yes, this is butternut squash. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.